But it's not having fun anymore, Ihor. It's about having fun. I bet SpongeBob and Plankton knows about Plankton having fun when you say the word F-U-N. That's how you spell the word.
It's not about winning. It's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when you... Fun is... It's like... It's kinda... Sorta like... What is fun? It's... Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere or anytime at all down here in the deep blue sea.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U is for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors. When you...
Plankton! Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff together.
Never! That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere and anytime at all
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait! I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we stop?
No! That's how you're supposed to feel!
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay! F is for frolic through all flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, chewing gum and sand licking here with my best buddy.
Oh, gee. That's great about having fun. I bet Plankton and SpongeBob knows that. Well, I'm not too sure about this.